Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have something very cool to open up, so I want to show you guys what it is. So today I have the long-awaited DJI Neo drone. You guys may have seen this. It's a very popular drone. I got the one that's the kit. You can get just the drone for $180 or $199. I got the kit for $289. So I want to open this up and see what's in it. Hopefully there's a drone in here. But we've got a shoot to do Tuesday, and I'll be using this drone, which goes against everything that I've told you guys about. Don't get into doing things you're not super familiar how to do, and now I've done it myself, so we'll see what happens. But it's not really my fault, see, because what happened was they wanted me to do some advertising for a car dealership. So I'm like, yeah, I can do that, no problem. You know, we'll mic them up, we'll sound it, shoot the video, no problem. And then at the end, all of a sudden they hit me with this, and we need to fly over of the we need to fly over of the lot with a drone. And it caught me off guard, and I'm like, okay, sure. Yeah, I didn't even have a drone when they said that, so at least I have a drone now. But anyway, so I was comfortable doing the first part that they asked me to do, and then when they hit me with the last part, I don't know what happened to my head. It just said, yes, I can do that, no problem. And I didn't even have this yet. So there's going to be some quick learning curve on this drone. So anyway, open the box. And I did get the kit because the batteries are good for like 18 minutes. So I made sure I got at least 2 of them. This, whatever this is, it's packaged up. I believe this is the charger. Yeah, that's the charger. Charger and 2 batteries that go on the drone. So I guess it'll actually charge 3 batteries. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And then here we have the directions and stuff, which I will be reading very quickly and soon. We need a Christmas miracle over here, guys. Help me out. But anyway, all I could think about is how many times I've told you guys on this channel, do not get involved in something that's you're not familiar with and 100% of doing. And there I have done it myself. But like I said, my excuse is they hit me with the part that I knew up front. And then on the back end, they hit me with, and just a quick flyover of the lot with the drone. I'm like, yeah, sure, that's no problem. Other than I don't have a drone, and I've never flown a drone. But sure, I can do it for you. Anyway, you guys listen to what I say and not what I do, and you'll be better off. So anyway, but Christmas miracle, we're going to pull this off if we can. So let's go that route. We're going to be optimistic, and this is going to work like a charm. All I need is 1 good flyover. I got 2 batteries to get it done. The wind's not supposed to be blowing but like 4 miles an hour. So fingers crossed, I'll get this done. I just can't believe some of the stuff I get myself into. It's my own fault. And see, that's what happens when you do things that you're not really prepared to do. You get into this like I am right now. I'm like, oh gosh, I'm gonna spend all day tomorrow practicing with this drone, hoping I don't crash it to the point where it breaks and I can't even use it. So, but anyway, that's enough of my whining. That's enough now, enough said. I told you about my jam I got myself into. Now I got to get myself out of it. And so we have some extra propeller blades right here. Battery instructions, and then we have the drone itself. Little bitty drone, weighs almost nothing. Looks like a 4 mile an hour wind would blow this thing away. This thing is supposed to be super automated. I mean, it's supposed to be able to, even without a controller, and I did get the controller, which is right here. That is $150 extra to have the controller, and this is only $199, so it seems like it almost needs to be in a package. But let me explain this first. This drone is made for beginners, which I definitely am a beginner at drones. But you're supposed to be able to program it where it'll do things like rocket or follow you around. You just hold it in your hand and you tell it what to do, and it'll fly around you or fly in front of you or fly behind you. And it's supposed to be really super easy to do. But I wasn't sure if there was one that would go up high enough and just sit there and video down. So that's why I bought this, just in case. This won't automatically do a car lot shot. I don't know if DJI programs in car lot shots with their drones or not. But if not, I can fall back on the old trusty remote control that I don't know how to use yet. Anyway, this is the drone. Hey, now guess what? Looks like I must have 3 batteries because it must have come with 1. Yes. Okay, it's cool. So I have 3 batteries with this kit. There was one that came with a drone, and then I guess the extra combo part came with 2 batteries. So I have 3 batteries total. So that's 18 minutes times 3 that I can fly this thing. I just need one good 5-second shot flying over. So anyway, it's not very heavy at all. It weighs almost nothing. But we are going to be trying this drone out. I might even for fun video me practicing with this drone to see what I can do with this thing before we get to the big day. So anyway, we're going to see what happens. This is why I tell you guys, don't get in over your head sometimes, and now I have gone and done it myself, so hopefully I can get myself out of this mess and still be okay, because like I said, I just need one good flyover, just one. So anyway, guys, that is the DJI Neo drone. It also comes with the charger and something else. I guess that's for putting on the propellers or something like that for when I crash it and it breaks. So anyway, guys, this Neo sells like I said by itself for $199, and it programs in a lot of automatic stuff where it just takes off out of your hand and then it'll land back in your hand. And I'll make a video of that, of course. I just want to do a box opening to tell you guys about my dilemma I'm in at the moment. So anyway, hopefully between my 3 batteries and the instruction booklet, I can get my good flyover and we'll all be good to go. We'll all have a Merry Christmas. Anyway, if you guys are interested in getting this drone, I will be making another video of me flying the drone and showing you what all it'll do. So I just wanted to do a box opening tonight, but that's about it, guys. I'll leave a link if you need a drone. I got mine at Adorama. They had it in stock. It was $289 for the combo kit, plus $150 for the remote control. So that's it, guys. I appreciate it for helping you out. Give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Have a great day. Thank you.